Yes.
Yes and no.
Hi, everybody. This is Diana John.
Hello everyone, I am Sajid Husain Vaiyanna. Some of my team members could be all AI agents and I may not even know that they are AI agents.
He's got his AI wing on.
Hello, Sajid and Diana. Thanks for sitting down with us and having a chat. Your first question, is AI the future of innovation? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, a solid yes.
Can AI take on the role of a true collaborator, not just a tool? Yes or no?
Yes.
Is speed more important than purpose in innovation? Yes or no?
I will say both.
It's a yes for me.
Yeah, because again, when it comes to reaching out to the customers, showing, the concept and considering the fact that now AI is moving at the speed of light. So we have to develop certain things and then showcase to the customers for which speed is definitely required. But when it comes to enterprise grade deployment, then yes, we have to take it a step back and then do it in the way, how it has to be done.
Yeah, I fully align with what you actually said. So I agree it has to be a both and a balance of both speed and purpose. But there are times when I've seen that we've spent so much time delivering the purpose and getting to perfection that you lose the speed. Absolutely. So sometimes I feel when everybody is literally chasing the speed race, I'm sure that the purpose can come in, but at the same time, you also have to ensure that the balance is maintained.
Absolutely.
So it has to be a combination of both, as you mentioned, but then don't aim for perfection. It is okay to go ahead and have the idea out, have the innovation and the vision out. You can aim for the perfection, and by that time, things already change. So,
absolutely.
Yeah.
Should AI be considered part of the team? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So just to elaborate a little bit, again, AI agents are becoming pervasive. So we are going to look more agents, becoming a co-worker for us rather than just being a digital tool.
Yes, for me too. I think AI needs to be the indispensable extension of our teams, if not today. And that's pretty much how it works at Google. I'm sure I see that same wave coming in CGI too. So 100%, it needs to be a part of your team where you can go ahead and get the things much more faster, much more productively, with less time, and you have the cycles to go ahead and think much more out of the box.
Yeah. So some of my team members could be all AI agents and I may not even know that they are AI agents. So.
Can innovation exist without collaboration? Yes or no?
I will say yes. Just to elaborate, again, with AI now, people can self-innovate, right? But having said that, but when it comes to an enterprise setup, we definitely need to collaborate, not only with our co-workers, but also the AI agents as we talk about. So it has to be definitely a collaborative effort.
Yeah, I'll stick to my no. I understand Sajid's point of view, but I guess for me, coming from enterprise and the customers that we work, they're all enterprise customers. I would feel that collaboration is the core for any meaningful innovation to happen, especially if it needs to come to life, if it needs to be scaled and adapted. It needs to be a collaborative effort. Any change in the industry ever, whether it was AI, internet, or however, I don't think it has to be always people, processes, and technology that needs to come together for anything to happen.
So we can say that for POCs, it can be self-innovators, but for when it comes to solutions, it has to be a collaborative effort.
Yeah, okay. He's got his AI wing on.
Green or red? How would you describe the CGI Google partnership in one word?
For me, I would say substantially growing, and that word can easily change into transformative, the way I'm living the day here at CGI's office today. Yeah, I would say it's a substantially growing, transformative, solid partnership where there's a ton of work that's happening around the AI innovation and transformation around the legacy and the ongoing business as well.
Absolutely, I totally agree. And in fact, I'll borrow the same word, like transformative, right? And of course, we are collaborating, but transformation is what we are definitely trying to achieve by making use of the latest tools from Google, whether it is Gemini Advanced, whether it is Gemini Code Assist, whether it is Notebook LM, which I'm my personal favorite, and also Agent Space, right? And we are trying to develop some really innovative solutions for our clients, and you will hear a lot more about it in the coming days.
Does this partnership fuel innovation? Yes or no?
Absolutely yes. Again, just continuing from the same point in terms of collaboration and transformation. we are currently engaged in multiple initiatives where we are trying to innovate and come up with some certain solutions, which is useful not only within CGI. In fact, we are working on some of the use cases on that, as well as even for some of the customers as well.
Yep, I think Sajid covered it really well. I think we've been working on several AI agentic projects that covers internal as well as external side applications. We've also touched multiple business units, whether it is Trade 360, Wealth Platform, or whether it was credit survey. And I would say the CGI's synergy of bringing the deep expertise from the manufacturing, your clientele, towards the leading tools and platform technology from Google Cloud just combines and brings a very solid value on the table for everybody to go ahead and adapt.
Did the hackathon have a standout moment? Yes or no?
I would say yes, there were multiple. I think Sajid could live and breathe the energy in the room. People coming up and showing at 7:30 a.m. for a full day hackathon, an audience of 150 plus being in and fully vested in the use cases with ton of prerequisite and work done. Second was the alignment from exec sponsorship from top to down with the same message, which is loud and clear that AI is the path to go. And thirdly, with partners in the room like Google, we're flying in and we feel that energy, we can feel that curiosity and collaboration where people want to be coming in. And it's actually the tech and the business side coming in together in the same rooms to go ahead and channel the AI path into different use cases. It was amazing to see that. So multiple of those standout moments for me.
Yeah, absolutely, and I totally agree. And I have to reciprocate the same thing that you and Amar have come all the way from Canada, and of course the team from Bangalore as well. So this basically shows again the collaboration that we have, and also the deep understanding of what we want to develop in the coming days. And for me, in addition to that, I would say again, I know most of the team members who are participating in the hackathon, and for me, the aha moment is more in terms of some of the deep thinking that they have brought in terms of the use cases,
Yep.
particularly with respect to the IPs that they are closely working on, and also some of the innovative ideas how we can bring innovation in SDLC automation as well. So,
Nice.
so these two things, I hope that again some of these solutions for us will become accelerators in the coming days.
Yep, no, I would fully agree. They literally touched every component on the Vertex platform, and the kind of use cases they have, they're very much real. They need to be adapting, and they know that this is exactly the business for tomorrow. So yeah.
Do you hope participants take away from this hackathon more than just ideas? Yes or no?
Absolutely yes. Again, thanks to the Google team, they have already talked about how post the hackathon, again, it's not just one of this event. We can continue to have dialogue with them. They are going to have certain continuous sessions for the team to again understand the latest developments that are happening. And our team is more than happy to learn as the new tools are getting released. They are at the forefront of learning, right? So again, if I can say that, learning curve is our mode, right? That's what we are trying to build. Hopefully, it will help us to build certain solutions.
I like that. So yeah, I would say 100%. That was always the intent of the leadership on both the sides, that it has to be beyond that just a hackathon event. For me, it is the understanding every person in the room that leaves out with an understanding of what's more possible, the confidence to push the boundaries and to understand why Google happens to be in the room and why are we the strategic partner of choice when it comes to AI and innovation within CGI.
Is coffee the unofficial hackathon sponsor?
My answer is yes, along with AI.
Mine is no, I'm not a tea or a coffee person, but then if it's AI, that's my drive.